guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leya, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to create this very cute pink summery type of look. I just think it's so like a breath of fresh air. I don't know why, but recently I've been obsessed with the color pink. I don't know why. Pink has never been a color that I've gravitated to, but I'm not gonna question it. I'm just gonna let it flow. I'm gonna let it come. So this is the look that I came up with today. I'm not gonna do too much talking. I'm just gonna ask that you guys subscribe to my channel before continuing. Like my video, leave a comment, share it, and then just watch the video. Just enjoy it, because come on guys. All right, come on Twitter. But yeah, so I hope you guys like it and keep watching. This is the final look right here. I absolutely love it. I've never done like this kind of gold, I don't know what to call it, like liner on the lid before, but like it came out so cute. Literally obsessed with this. Like now I'm just gonna be doing liner on my lid every single makeup video. No, I'm kidding, but this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial, and remember to subscribe. Okay, remember to comment on my videos, like this video, and share my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.